Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless quarter-inch hex compact impact driver. It's the fastest impact driver in its class. Delivering 2,200 RPM and 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, it drives faster and runs longer than the competition. Scaled to fit the professional who operates in tight spaces. Powered by a rugged Milwaukee 4-pole frameless motor, this compact impact driver has all the power you'll need to get the job done. The quarter-inch hex quick change chuck allows for easy bit changes, and it is compatible with the red lithium compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. For superior power in a compact package, choose the Milwaukee M18 cordless quarter-inch hex compact impact driver, powered by red lithium.